If you're seeing the message, there was an error on itch.io or the desktop app is acting up, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to troubleshoot it step by step. Sometimes the issue is on itch.io's side, and sometimes it's just the desktop app getting stuck or throwing a request error. We'll cover both situations so you can get back to downloading and launching your games as quickly as possible. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Let's get into it. First, if the error is happening on the itch.io website itself, the very first thing you should do is check whether the service is actually down. Open your browser and go to DownDetector, then search for itch.io. On that page, look for a spike in recent reports because that usually means other users are experiencing the same issue. If there's a widespread outage, the problem is not on your device, and the best thing to do is wait it out and try again later. If the reports are normal and the site seems to be working for everyone else, then the issue may be on your end, so you can try refreshing the page, clearing your browser cache, or signing out and back in. Now let's move on to the itch.io desktop app. If the app is giving you an error with your request message, the easiest workaround is to use it strictly as a library instead of trying to launch the game through the app itself. What that means is, you'll use the app to access the game files, but you'll run the game manually outside of the launcher. To do that, right-click the game inside the itch.io app and choose Open Folder in Explorer. This will take you directly to the game's installation folder on your computer. Once the folder opens, look for the game's executable file. This is usually the file ending in .exe on Windows. After you find it, double-click that executable to launch the game directly. In many cases, this completely bypasses the app error and gets the game running normally. This is especially useful if the desktop app is stalling, freezing, or refusing to start the game properly. If the game opens this way, then you've confirmed that the problem is with the itch.io app workflow, not necessarily the game itself. From there, you can keep using the app as a library for downloads and updates, while launching the game manually whenever needed. That simple change can save a lot of frustration, especially if you just want to play without dealing with repeated request errors. If you still can't get it working, try restarting the app, checking your internet connection, and making sure your antivirus or firewall isn't blocking the launcher. But in most cases, these two fixes, checking DownDetector for a website outage and launching the .exe directly from the game folder in the desktop app, will solve the most common itch.io error problems. I hope this helped you fix the itch.io error quickly. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe for more helpful tech guides, and leave a comment if you want more troubleshooting videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.